Did you know that effective quality control inspection can be the difference between system reliability and catastrophic failure? Organizations frequently struggle with maintaining consistent quality standards in piping and mechanical systems, facing challenges in inspection protocols and compliance verification. Inadequate quality control leads to system defects, operational failures, and increased maintenance costs. Quality control professionals often feel uncertain about complex inspection requirements, lacking systematic approaches to quality verification. This knowledge gap creates vulnerabilities in critical system integrity. This course provides comprehensive tools for mastering quality control inspection. Participants learn advanced techniques for mechanical system inspection, defect identification, and quality assurance protocols. Organizations gain enhanced capabilities in quality management, improving system reliability while ensuring regulatory compliance. The ability to effectively inspect and verify quality becomes a cornerstone of operational excellence. Individual participants become confident quality control specialists, capable of maintaining high inspection standards. Teams learn collaborative approaches to ensuring consistent quality across all operations. At the organizational level, expect improved system reliability, reduced defects, and enhanced stakeholder confidence. Individual professionals emerge with specialized expertise in quality control inspection. Transform your approach to quality control. Master inspection techniques today.